Okay, next part. So next part, we're gonna go into some more detail and we're gonna use, so we're still in the intro and we're gonna just use this ramp. So we're gonna use it's called the half pipe ramp. We're gonna make sure all of these boxes are checked. So I'm already here, okay. Then let's look at our directions. That's direction number 1. Direction number 2, it says the slow motion. That's this button. You don't want normal, then you can't see anything. So slow motion, okay, is checked. Okay, click and drag the skater to the top of the ramp on the left side. Release the skateboarder. Start at the A position. So see these letters right here? They're not really on our skate park, but that's what we're gonna do is we're gonna start him at the A, like halfway down, C and D, and then we're gonna make some observations when we do that. It's gonna be important to put him on the ramp and not above because we don't want thermal energy. Okay, so the first time, just watch, see what's going on. Then we're gonna observe doing it at the different positions. And then we're gonna record down here. So let me show you. So A said it was at the top. I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna make sure he's at the top and not above. I'm gonna press play. And so he's going and I notice that my blue is changing to green, then my green is changing to blue. Again, green kinetic, blue potential. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start him back up. This was at spot A. And then let's see what happens. Okay. At position A, the potential energy is the biggest. So we have all potential energy. So I said the potential energy is increasing because it's all blue, right? Then, so the kinetic energy at that point is decreasing. There's no green, so it's small. Total energy is staying the same. It's not changing. So watch when I press play, right? So then, so here was A. Now I'm going to press play and I'm going to pause it right when he gets here. And I'm going to notice what happens to the blue and the green and the total. So watch what's happening to the blue. Was the blue in, so from A to B, was the blue increasing or decreasing? So it was all blue and now it's like half blue. So the blue was decreasing. So that's what I would put here. The green, it was at none, and now we have some green. So the green is increasing. And notice the total is not changing. It's staying the same. Watch it. So now I'm going to let him go, and then I'm going to pause it when he gets down to the bottom, because that's what it shows me over here. That's C. So I'm going to press play and pause. Okay. Notice the total didn't change, but now we're all kinetic energy. There's like no blue there. So that's this one. So did the blue increase or decrease? Did the kinetic energy increase or decrease? What happened to the total? Then the last one, you wait till he gets all the way up to the top. Okay, so what happened to the potential? Did it increase, decrease, or stay the same? Kinetic, increase, decrease, or stay the same? Same for total. Okay, last 3 questions for this one. Where does the skater have the most potential energy? What part of the ramp? And you can tell me the letter, or you can say like the top, the middle, the bottom. But when did the skater have the most potential? That's the blue. When did they have the most kinetic? And how does the mass of the skater affect the total? Ooh. So we got to look at the total bar. So I didn't change the mass, so that means I got it. So here's the total. So let me move him over here. So I notice my total's right here. What happens when I made him bigger? So what happened to the total? Did it increase, decrease, or stay the same? About when I made him small. So that answer goes there. All right. Next video will be the last one.